Every day, on a Mac, people search for same things. Where's my meeting link? Where is that confirmation email? What time is that appointment? Where did I save that address? None of these things are hidden. Your Mac already has all of them, but most people search for them the hard way every single time. Your Mac has a connected system built in that handles all of it. 4 apps. Most people use each one of them separately, none of them connected. But let me show you what happens when you connect them. The first search most people do every single day. Where is my appointment link? Where is my office meeting link? You open your email, you scroll through a thread, and finally you find it just a couple of minutes before the actual meeting time. So here is how to stop searching for it. Every time you have a video call, Zoom, Teams, Google Meet, open Calendar app, select the date, add an event. All you need to do is copy the link from email and paste it at the bottom. Now watch what happens. The notification arrives on your Mac on your phone. You tap on it, and there is the link. You click on it, and it takes you directly to the web browser. From here, you join the meeting within web browser, or you just open dedicated Zoom, Teams, Google Meet app. Only a couple of clicks, and you're in the call already. By the way, if you don't like to copy the link, then you have an alternative directly from the email. You can set it as a reminder. Just make a right click, share, reminders. At the top, add the title. Set a date and time. From here, you can also set it as urgent. Now this will not only fire a notification on your Mac, but also your iPhone will ring an alarm, and within only a couple of clicks, you will join your meeting. Without searching for the link, without opening an email, without scrolling through your inbox. So here's the second search that most people do. When is that appointment? What was the name of that company? Where is that confirmation email? Most people open Calendar or look for that email. They scroll, they search, and they find it after 5 minutes. But let me tell you, there is a much faster way that most people don't know exist. Press Command plus space. Activate Spotlight Search. Your entire calendar is already inside Spotlight. So type any part of that event, a name, a company, a topic, and it just appears within only a couple of seconds without opening anything. Not only that, an email that you received few months back, an upcoming event, a reminder, a document, anything that you created. Command plus space, just type the name, and all of that appears in a Spotlight search. You click on any one of these results, they open directly in that app. Whether you're looking for event, an email, reminder, a document, everything appears right there. No scrolling through emails, no searching through threads, you just have everything right there. All you need to do is a little bit of shifting. What you have been doing manually, try to take advantage of these built-in tools, and they will start doing all that searching for you. Most people think reminders is just a to-do list. Well, it is not. The third search, or the thing most people forget to search for until it is too late. I need to pick up a prescription. I keep forgetting, and I remember it when I'm back at home, not when I'm actually near that pharmacy. Reminders can fix this without searching for anything. It knows where you are. Let me show you how. Let's set a new reminder. But this is not a regular reminder. We are setting a location reminder. And this is really powerful. But one quick note. This location feature only works through your iPhone. Your iPhone needs location services enabled, and both devices on the same Apple ID. After entering the address to the pharmacy, you see that blue circle? That's radius, set to 100 meters by default. You can adjust that, but you cannot set it any less than 100 meters. Once that is set, the reminder fires on your iPhone when you physically arrive within that radius of that pharmacy. Not at 9 a.m. when you're at your home or 3 p.m. when you're at your office. Same way, you can also set reminder when you're leaving. If you have to pick up laundry, birthday cake, or a gift after your office on the way to home, just set a reminder and that fires on your phone as soon as you leave your office. You can also combine time and location. So you can set a reminder on arrival or leaving. Enable time and choose weekdays or weekends, whatever works for you. On top of that, if it is too urgent for you to miss, then you can also enable urgent. Now this fires a notification on your iPhone as soon as you leave your house on weekdays. Location reminders are genuinely useful, and you will learn that after you start using them. The fourth part of this system removes the searching entirely. You don't have to open anything, you don't have to type anything. Before we proceed further, let's ensure one setting on your Mac is already enabled. Under System Settings, Siri. Enable Siri or Hey Siri. And that's it. Now you can ask Siri to set a reminder, create an event. No typing, no navigating, no searching for the right date or time. You just say it to Siri. Every event without opening anything. You can also try, when's my next dentist appointment? Do I have anything Friday afternoon? Remind me to call Sarah tomorrow at 10. Siri automatically adds it to reminders. And it fires exactly at the right moment. 4 apps: Calendar, Spotlight, Reminders, Siri. Most people think they have a searching problem they cannot find. But in real, what they actually have is a connection problem. Most people hesitate before trying something new, while it's already built in. So let me tell you, just start using this system now. That's all it takes. And more importantly, none of this needs any extra set of technical expertise. Just talk to your Mac. Your calendar holds the link, so you never search for it again before a meeting. Spotlight finds any event or email in just a couple of seconds, so you never open the wrong app again. Reminders fires when you are in the right place, so you never forget at the wrong moment. Siri adds and reads everything without you touching anything. Stop searching your Mac the hard way. It has already a better system built in. Anyways, this is pretty much it in this video. If you're ready to step up, here's the next one for you. And before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Crazy Eaters for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.